The first step is to visit youtube.com, where you may find a variety of videos and find out how to get free PayPal money in 2022 just by watching them. If you want to be eligible to get $10 for each YouTube videos you watch, you must watch at least 30 seconds of it after it has started. Because these are actual payment proofs from viewers around the world for all the videos they have seen. You can see exactly how much money you can make using this for free for each YouTube videos you watch. Simply watching one YouTube video can earn you $10. Watching 10 films can earn you $100. And watching 30 videos per day can earn you up to $300. The good news is that you can keep making money by repeating this process as frequently as you like. All you need is a smartphone or computer for this. Keep watching to learn how to make money online. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. Click the Sign In button in the top right corner of the screen to access this page first. You can create a free Google account and a YouTube account from this website if you don't already have one by clicking New Account and choosing For Myself. You'll notice that when you log into your YouTube account, there's a section on the left called The Best of YouTube. That lists the most popular videos from each of the following categories: music, sports, gaming, movies, and news. There are millions of people that watch these gaming videos on YouTube, but they have no idea how they might be making a lot of free money. I want you to click on Gaming, which will bring you to this website under the category Gaming. But now I'll show you a method that, like the one these guys use to make $10 each video they regularly view, can make you free PayPal money in a matter of minutes. To get free PayPal money, use this method, which is completely legal and cost-free. You can use YouTube to make free PayPal money from any location in the world because it is available everywhere. I wanted to focus on this kind of video for your first bonus tip because Minecraft is one of the most well-known games that is now popular. When you click Minecraft on this particular page, you may see a ton of videos about Minecraft gaming, one of which is currently live streaming. Simply selecting one of these live videos is all that is required for the second step. This video will direct you to the website where a live stream is being broadcast if you click on it. As you can see, there is a big market for these films, and there are lots of ways to watch them and get free PayPal money. You can earn 10 times as much money as others if you keep watching, because I'll offer you a bonus tip at the end of this video. Additionally, I'll show you exactly how to leverage this kind of YouTube video to generate a lot of free money in a second. The best thing is that you may apply this tactic frequently to make actual money from a variety of YouTube videos in this area. The second website is where we must go in order to get the free PayPal money. As you can see, it's working because individuals are earning $10 for continuously watching movies on this website. You can shorten URLs on our website and earn free PayPal money with them. You can make a lot of free PayPal money if you watch this video all the way to the end, because not many people are currently talking about it. The concept behind the website, which goes by the name 7r6.com, is pretty simple. All you have to do to shorten several URL links for various YouTube videos is sign up for a free account. You can get free PayPal money for each and every video you make, and I'll explain how to do it to you in detail shortly. I'll now give you an illustration of how it functions. The share button can be found immediately below this video if you're watching these YouTube videos. The YouTube video link will be copied when you click the copy button. Return to the website 7r6.com and paste the URL into this box are the only remaining steps. By pressing this tiny button, this website will help you change the lengthy YouTube URL into a shorter one that pays you each time someone clicks on it. That is precisely how each of these individuals is earning a sizable sum of money from this website. When you reach a certain amount, you can withdraw it using PayPal, Bitcoin, WebMoney, Perfect Money, or Payer. please go back to the website's homepage and click the sign up link in the upper right corner as your first step. This will direct you to a page where you may register for a completely new membership that is open to everyone in the world and is free to join up for. After entering your username, email address, and password and checking the boxes next to the terms of use and privacy policy, I need you to click the register button. Your dashboard will seem like this as soon as you register a new account and log in. In the top left corner of the page, select New Shorten Link. To shorten the links to your YouTube videos and make free PayPal money, copy and paste them from there. All that's left to do is go back to your YouTube video. Select Share and copy the URL link. Then come back to your dashboard and paste that link into this box right here. I want you to put Minecraft, the title of the video, under the alias. Finally, I just want you to click the abbreviated button. The third step is to go back to YouTube and carry out steps 1 through 3 for as many as 3 different videos. By duplicating and shortening the URLs of more YouTube videos, you can earn more free PayPal money. The next extra tip I'd like to give you is to focus solely on live streaming videos, since you can earn a lot of free PayPal money by doing this. You should click on this video to access another live streaming video, which is what I want you to do. Then, we'll go through the procedure once more by selecting the share option, hitting the copy, and then pasting the URL. The second URL link should then be pasted into the box on your URL shortening page. The second connection that we set out to make will now be shortened if you just type Minecraft 2 into the alias box and click shorten. Keep in mind what I said. To make a ton of money online, simply keep applying the same technique to locate different well-liked YouTube videos. Copy the URL and shorten it using 7r6.com. I want you to go to the website streamcommunity.com as we proceed to step 4. This is a gaming website or platform where lots of players talk about different gaming strategies. There are numerous conversations going on right now about the video game Minecraft. With the aid of 7r6.com, this will be your best opportunity to capitalize on this trend and earn plenty of free PayPal money from all of these YouTube videos. As you can see, this game is being discussed by many individuals. Millions and millions of people view it daily since it is currently trending. You can share your shortened URL from 7r6.com into the community by posting about Minecraft or another well-known game in the Steam community after creating a free account there. As a result, a lot of people will click on your link to watch the associated YouTube video, generating a lot of free PayPal money for you with each click. One video might bring in hundreds of thousands of dollars for you. You're going to be able to earn 3 times as much money thanks to a bonus I'm giving you. I have never told anyone about this bonus, but for the time being, I want to share it with you. It will be accessible on a private website. The covered website's domain name is mood.us. It is mostly a forum where players of the video game Minecraft may be found. On the website, other users also post pictures and videos relating to games. Thousands of people have watched each of these videos of Minecraft gameplay. You could get hundreds of thousands of hits and make a sizable internet income if you copy the URL to one of these live streaming videos. A part of the special bonus I promised, you can use this free done-for-you template to generate substantially more money than other people. Simply copy the template and submit it in the Steam community or the mood.us forum. Your shortened link will then get a lot of clicks from there, which will bring in a lot of money for you. Simply put, this is one of the situations when you'll get a lot of clicks because of the way the template was made. Do you know about this amazing Minecraft gameplay video? Here is where you may view it live and publish your shortened link from 7r6.com. Simply go back to your 7r6 dashboard, copy this link, then come back to our template and paste the link where it is shown. Then come back to our template and paste the link where it is shown. Now all you have to do is duplicate this entire template that has been completed for you and post it on these 2 websites. Since this specific gaming related films are currently catching on with a lot of trends and are quite popular, you don't need to put in a lot of effort. That is the exact method through which a lot of individuals can earn a lot of free PayPal money for each video they watch. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video, and I'll see you there.